Right, we're back, guys. Mix prep the chassis. So that's just sitting there gluing, ready to go. I've stripped the car. I like just laying it all out. Like this section's all the rear. So you just have it in the sections, put the bolts with it, and then it's easy. Don't throw all the bolts in one tray. Know what I mean? Pull the parts out, put the bolts next to it. Otherwise, what happens, if you have it all in one tray, you don't know what length goes in where, and you just don't know what you're doing. So, best way to do it, just spread it out so you know where they are in sections, and then we'll strip all them, clean it, and then we'll start rebuilding the new car and get it all done. Right, I've pulled all the new parts out, just laid them on the bench. Got it all ready to go, so they're all ready. We can start building. Got a couple bearings, but we'll show you when we go through. Even from new, I like to clean the bearings and put a bit of oil in them, just make them spin a bit freer. We'll show you when we start getting it all done. Alright guys, we just built the back. This side's all clean, all ready to go. Remember, you got to take the dog bone out. So you just take the circlip off, pull the pin, and you don't need it for the two-wheel or the front-wheel drive, where this one's all dirty. I haven't touched this one. Just to show you the dog bone's still in there. That's got to come out. Hey guys, we're back. Rear end's done. Looks a bit strange with no dog bones, what we're used to, but it's all together. I said I'd work on the rear first, doesn't matter what end you do first. Mick had to do the diff, so he was playing with that. I thought I'd do the rear. Now, a couple tips when you do it, make sure the arms move freely. You don't want any binding or any of the parts. It's got to all be nice and free. Make sure the links are moving free on the balls, the sway bar's all free. Make sure the bearings are okay. Lube them all up. Everything's free, no binding. It's going to work really well. So we'll get started on the front. We'll get this thing together.